Good morning. Welcome to day 42. Batteries are all running low, including on this camera, so I'm going to try to make it brief, which is good practice anyway. But yeah, today's going to be a short day, 6.5 miles or so into Irwin. So stayed at the No Business Shelter, as it's called. There was one other person there as I walked by, so I guess someone did show up. But anyway, I'm happy to be in my tent. I am noticing my mattress pad seems to be less inflated in the mornings than normal, so it might just be its time. And it's getting warmer, I'm hoping, although that was kind of a chilly night. So all that in my head is kind of thinking like probably time to switch out mattresses anyway, even if the other one was serving me well. Switch to like a lighter, summer mattress. It is getting kind of warm. When I was going to sleep, it was kind of hot actually, because like all this, the way the winter mattresses work is they reflect it back, all the heat, and then they provide that nice cushion of air to remove you from the cold ground. But now it's definitely getting a little too warm in there, which is good. And I also have a 20-degree quilt, which also has plays a part, I'm sure. I'm not looking to upgrade that at the moment. um, anyway, one thing at a time. But yeah, anyway, but all that added up to a short day today. I tried to wake up early. I set my alarm on my Fitbit to like 6 a.m. That was not happening. But anyway, I still got out before 9 or whatnot. I was just feeling it like I need to rest. I was just feeling that. Yeah, and then first thing when I got up this morning to go grab my food bag, I felt my right knee, the IT band syndrome, but just warming up now. So anyway, hopefully that doesn't give me too many problems. I think I rested it quite a lot yesterday, just by not pushing the extra miles. Anyway, I'm looking forward to spending a little bit of time in Irwin. Um, yeah, hopefully get some good meals and keep on going, get well rested, get recharged and whatnot. So, but yeah, short day today. So let's go onward.